Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with easy and healthy recipes for individuals looking to manage their diabetes without compromising on taste or budget. Today, we're going to show you how to incorporate vegetable juice into your meals to not only improve your health, but also save you money. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these delicious recipes. Section 1. Benefits of vegetable juice. Before we dive into the recipes, let's talk about why vegetable juice is a great addition to your diabetic meal plan. Vegetable juice is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By incorporating vegetable juice into your meals, you can boost your energy, support your immune system, and promote overall well-being. Plus, vegetable juice is a convenient and delicious way to increase your daily intake of vegetables, especially for those who struggle to eat enough veggies throughout the day. Section 2. Choosing the right vegetables. When it comes to making vegetable juice, it's important to choose the right vegetables that are low in carbs and sugar to help manage your blood sugar levels. Opt for veggies like spinach, kale, cucumber, celery, and carrots, as they are rich in nutrients and low in calories. These vegetables are also budget-friendly and readily available at most grocery stores. Remember to mix and match different veggies to create a delicious and nutritious juice that suits your taste preferences. Section 3. Easy vegetable juice recipe. Now let's get into our easy vegetable juice recipe that you can enjoy as a refreshing and healthy drink or use as a base for other diabetic meals. To make this juice, you'll need 1 cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, a handful of spinach, half a lemon, and a knob of ginger. Simply wash and chop all the vegetables, then run them through a juicer to extract the juice. Add a squeeze of lemon and a dash of ginger for extra flavor. Pour the juice into a glass, add ice if desired, and enjoy the vibrant colors and flavors of this nutritious beverage. Section 4. Incorporating vegetable juice into meals. Now that you have your vegetable juice ready, let's explore how you can incorporate it into your meals to create easy and healthy diabetic options. You can use the vegetable juice as a base for soups, stews, and sauces by adding it to your favorite recipes for an extra boost of nutrients and flavor. You can also use the juice as a marinade for meats or tofu to infuse them with delicious vegetable flavors. Another creative way to use vegetable juice is to mix it with yogurt or cottage cheese for a savory and satisfying snack. Section 5. Budget-friendly meal ideas. When it comes to creating budget-friendly diabetic meals using vegetable juice, the possibilities are endless. For breakfast, you can make a simple green smoothie bowl with vegetable juice, Greek yogurt, and your favorite toppings like nuts and seeds. For lunch, you can whip up a hearty vegetable soup using the juice as a base and adding beans, lentils, or whole grains for protein and fiber. And for dinner, you can make a colorful stir-fry using vegetable juice as a sauce and serving it over brown rice or quinoa for a complete and nutritious meal. Section 6. Tips for meal planning. To make meal planning easier and more efficient, consider batch cooking and freezing meals ahead of time using vegetable juice as a key ingredient. This way, you can have healthy and delicious diabetic meals ready to go whenever you need them, saving you time and energy during busy weekdays. You can also experiment with different vegetables and herbs to create unique flavor combinations that will keep your meals exciting and enjoyable. Don't be afraid to get creative and try new recipes to keep your taste buds happy and your blood sugar levels in check. Incorporating vegetable juice into your diabetic meal plan doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy easy and healthy meals that are both delicious and budget-friendly. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up some fresh veggies and start juicing your way to better health. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for more inspiring recipes and tips. Stay healthy and happy.